Alright, boycott's over. Bought a box of updates and highlights. 49 bucks. Here goes. Guess I'm really not upset with Topps as much as I had been, but the underlining root causes of the boycott are still there. Most notably, yes, the gimmicks. I mean, the upside down cards and whatnot. They're not as bad, and I do give Topps some credit for the whole second Sarah Palin card, but it's really a lack of respect that Topps has for itself that they have to do this, is the reason why I was really upset. Hopefully there are no more furry creatures or cards of fake players that don't exist anymore in Topps. Anyway, here are the two chip toppers. You get the sticker that you put on the back, and you get a chrome refractor rookie. This is one thing I kind of like about updates and highlights as opposed to Bowman Draft, is that they've basically purged all the crap from it. The chrome crap, same thing in my book. Anyway, let us see what I got. I hate these one card packs. They're a pain in the ass to open. I got Matt Macri of the Minnesota Twins. So there you go. Alright. 330 cards in the base set. A gold parallel in every 5th pack. A platinum every... well, you're not going to get one of them anyway. A black every 59 packs. The 86 mess cards are... you get an 86 mess cards every 18th pack. Well, let me just shut up and open this. Jonathan Alabalahubba, Kip Wells, a Chutley All-Star, a Joey Votto highlight, a Carlos Zambrano All-Star, Billy Wagner All-Star, Chipper All-Star, Lance Berkman All-Star. Our first insert is an Adrian Gonzalez World Baseball Classic. And these are 1 in every 9 packs. I have a Jay Bruce. Nah, it's the regular one, Jay Bruce. But it is the gold foil, which is every other pack. It's another thing I don't like. More parallels. And a Topps Town card. Pack numero dos. Josh Johnson, Mike Cameron, Miguel Cairo, Mike Alaves, Max Scherzer, Sean Riggins, Eric Patterson, a Nate McClouth All-Star, Joe Nathan All-Star, and a Jeff Jenkins Gold, and another Topps Town card. Really excited to pull those Topps Town cards. Pack 3. Octavio Dotel, Jock Jones, Dan Herron, Michael Aubrey, Brandon Boggs, a Ryan Braun All-Star, Ichiro All-Star, Russell Martin and Company All-Star, Joe Mauer All-Star, a Mark Teixeira Year in Review insert, another silly idea for an insert, and a checklist. The odds of finding one of those Year in Review cards is... I cannot find them. Oh, 1 in 6. Clay Hensley, Brett Tomko. This guy's still pitching? Wow. Brett Tomko. Everyday Eddie Cordado. a Michael Young, Derek Jeter combo card, a Josh Hamilton Home Run Derby card, a Justin Morneau, David Ortiz combo card, a Justin Desher All-Star, Dustin Pedora All-Star, Joe Saunders All-Star, and a Corey Wade gold card. And another Topps Town. Emil Brown, Jeremy Affeldt, Greg Norton, Albert Pujols All-Star, Brent Lillibridge, Diana Navarro All-Star, A-Rod All-Star, Jolbert Cabrera, an actual gold card of Sean Casey. This is numbered to 2008. And Ron and Nancy, first couples. Odds of finding that are 1 in every 6 packs. Boy, am I glad this election year's over. Even though Ronald Reagan was the man. Eulijo De La Cruz, Chris Burke, John Lineker, Evan Longoria Home Run Derby, Brian Wilson All-Star, John Smoltz Highlight, Carlos Guillen All-Star, K-Rod All-Star, Kevin Youkilis All-Star, and a gold All-Star of Justin Morneau. And another Topps Town. Marco Scutero, Brendan Harris, no relation, Brad Thompson, Giovanni Soto All-Star, Justin Morneau Home Run Derby, Andy Phillips, Scott Kazmir All-Star, Christian Guzman All-Star, Joe Saunders regular, and a Mickey Mantle, one of those 1 in a million of a continuing series of Mickey Mantle inserts that no one cares about anymore. Odds of finding the Mickey Mantle cards are 1 in 18. And that, of course, is based on the 57 Topps design. Cesar Asturis, Jeff Blum, Jeff Ridgway, Brandon Webb All-Star, Dan Herron All-Star, Edison Velasquez All-Star, Chris Aguilia, Justin Morneau, Ryan Ludwig, a gold foil of Gary Bennett, and another Topps Town. This is the 9th and final pack of the upper left quadrant. Chris Gomez, Mark Hendrickson, Dan Uggla Home Run Derby, Carlos Guillen and Josh Hamilton combo card, a Grady Sizemore Derby, Mariano Rivera All-Star, Ben Francisco, Chase Headley, an actual gold card of Dan Uggla All-Star, and a David Wells Year in Review. Alright, so that's the first quarter of this box. I guess I'll break this up into 3 parts and come up with some big long rants about Topps at the end. So I'll see you on the other side.